Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I look very crazy because I've just been laying down. Hold on, it's hot in here. I had to turn on my AC really quick because it is so hot in here, and I've just been sitting here sweating and not turning on the AC, and my lips look very dry, but that's besides the point. I'm going to clean my room. I was gonna wait until tomorrow to film this video, but I can film a different video tomorrow, which I know exactly what I want to do. But today I need to clean my room, and you guys are gonna see me clean my room again because it seems like that's all I can film, and I'm always in the same shirt every time I'm doing like a vlog or like cleaning up. I'm in this spider shirt. So yeah, I'm gonna clean my room. I'm gonna give you guys an overview of what my room looks like, and it's always a mess. You guys know, like if you watch any of my cleaning videos, all the mess is in the window. It's just nothing but cups, bowls, plates, drinks, anything you could think of. Like it'll sit there until it's molded, and then I'm like, oh, maybe I should take it out. So you know, we're gonna clean my room. I don't really have anything else to do besides sit here. I'm off of work for the next like 3 days, so I'm trying to relax, and I knew I wanted to clean my room today, but then I got tired, so I'm like, do I really want to sit and clean? No, I don't, but I'm gonna force myself to do it. I normally work best when I'm like forcing myself to get up and clean. Whenever I force myself to get up and clean when I really don't want to, that's when I get like, I motivate myself way more to get up and be like, just get up and do it, it'll be over with, and then you can sit back down. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna take a shower and just try to relax. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Is just strictly cleaning my room. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. I have to get up, put on my house slippers. So we're gonna start from the door. This is the mess. I have a mop bucket in here because I actually mopped the floor because there were stains on the floor and my garbage spilled, so I had to clean it. These are 2 bags that I have that I want to donate to Goodwill because I don't wear any of this stuff. I have a tissue box on the floor that's not empty. I have my blow dry. I have some stuff on the ground here that needs to go. My desk is looking a mess because I always sit here and do my hair. And then you have the TV. This has been here for a while and it's not clean. So I need to just clean up the entire room, sweep the floor. Let me actually show you guys the window. I have 2 plates of garbage, like food I was eating, and then this cup that's been here for a while, and then right here I have a waffle that I ate this morning, and I have some cups and cans and bottles, and I have a cup of noodles that it's actually looking like it's starting to mold, so we're gonna take that out. And then my bed is a mess. I had some Jersey Mike's earlier, which is just a sandwich place, so I'm gonna clean this all up. But first, I have to run to the bathroom because I have to pee so bad. So I'm gonna go to the bathroom and then clean my room. Oh, I decided to take a break already because I'm hungry. Let me put you guys. No, it's that good. Right in front of my sink. So I'm gonna wash my hands. So I'm gonna eat these waffles really quick. I already put syrup on it, and I gotta I was gonna say Canada Dry. It's Schweppes, I think that's how it's pronounced. Ginger ale, and I'm about to eat this really quick before I actually get started on my room because I really don't want to clean. I'm gonna eat this with just my hands because I don't feel like getting a fork and making more dishes. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the window, and then I just have dishes. I'm going to pour this stuff out. I'm gonna pull up these blinds just a little bit so I can have room to clean this off, you know, and so we can have a little bit of light in here because I did not turn on my lamp because it barely does anything. So right now I'm just gonna clean this off. I have some wipes up here that I need to put away. I have this planner that I've been writing in a lot, and I actually need to write down some stuff in this like right now. And I have some pens, but I'm just gonna take them out of the pack and throw the pack away. So my camera battery just died, but I just wiped out the window with these Lysol wipes that I got from Dollar Tree, and I have like one left, so I'm gonna use it to wipe the rest of the window seal, and then I'm going to, I guess, clean off my desk, which would be the next best like thing to clean, which means I have to take all the dishes downstairs. So my desk is pretty much clean now. I just keep my Listerine up here, normally with my toothbrush and toothpaste, but I put that away. And then I keep this candle here because I burn it quite often, because it's like, I don't know, it's just the one that I keep on my desk. And my hair gel, because I use that every day. I have hand sanitizer, and then I have this new lotion. I've vlogged a few times and I just never got around to editing any of them because I didn't really like any of the footage. Well, I got this from Bath and Body Works. This is the pumpkin pecan waffle scent, and it smells so good. It smells exactly like fall. Like everything that you think fall would smell like is in this little jar or this bottle. It smells so good. It kind of smells like a candle, and they do have candles in this scent, and it smells so good. So I use this quite often now. And then I have my little handheld mirror because, you know, sometimes I'll just like do mascara or like brow gel, that's it. Or if I just want to like do my edges up close in the mirror, I'll use that. And then I have this soda that I'm still drinking. But my desk is pretty much cleaned off. I just have to wipe off the mirror, which I never really do often. And then the next step is for me to clean off my bed. I think that would be the best thing to do, because then I could knock all the crumbs off and then start up. Hey. Okay, so I just tried to sweep the floor a little bit. Now I'm gonna clean off my bed. It's looking like a mess, and I'm gonna pick up these clothes and throw them in the closet because I'm not worrying about that today. Okay, so I just finished mopping my floor, which I did not show you guys, but the floor is pretty much clean. I threw everything in the closet, and then my bed is made. The floor is a little bit wet. These are the bags that I want to donate to Goodwill, which I will be doing tomorrow when I do a vlog. Or maybe this will all be in one video. Who knows? Because I don't even know how much footage I have, because it took me probably like 1 hour to clean. So it didn't take that long. So this video can't even be that long. And I'm sweating. Okay, so sorry, I was on the phone with my boyfriend and I kind of got distracted, and then I started cleaning up without filming. But I didn't really do much besides mop the floor like I said to you guys. So I just have to pick up the garbage off the floor because I swept, and then I just mopped and I sprayed some room spray. Everything is pretty much clean. I just need to throw away like all, and not throw away. Well, I did throw away the garbage, and then I need to throw away, put the dishes in the sink in the kitchen, and then I'm pretty much done. I want to take a shower, but low-key, I love taking showers at night, or like, I don't know, I take showers really late, but I do want to take a shower. But now I'm just like, every time I'm done cleaning, I just want to chill for a second, because I'm enjoying like the airflow through the room, because being that I cleaned, the air just feels so much more like fresh. I don't know if that makes sense. Let me know if, when you guys clean, like, does it, like, you could just feel the air more, and you could like, it just smells nice and clean. I'm gonna plug in my my Febreze thing, the wall plug-in, so it can just like stay smelling, so it can be like fresh even though I can still smell the room mist. It smells so good. I got it from Burlington. And then I'm gonna write some stuff down in my planner because I have to plan some stuff out and write down some things that I need to like remember and like pay. Like I write down all my bill payments in my planner as well. So I'm just gonna do that. I need to get a dustpan so I can sweep up the garbage, throw it in the trash, and then bring the dishes downstairs. And then I'm pretty much done. And yeah, so I mean, this video is probably really short, so I might just add this into my vlog for tomorrow. I guess it could be like 2 days in my life, even though I started this video very late in the day. I don't even know what time it is. But yeah, I'm gonna just do everything that I said, and then I'm going to talk to you guys a little bit later, or talk to you guys tomorrow, whatever the next clip is. And then yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, yeah. Okay guys, so I just got in the car and I put all the bags in. I have 2 bags that I need to take to Goodwill. I'm gonna try to find like a Goodwill where I can go through like a drive-through type thing. I am on my way to Goodwill right now. What is going on? What is going on? After this, I do want to clean out my car, but I don't think I'm going to because I didn't bring any like change, because they take dollar bills and then like quarters, and I don't have any. Normally I have a ton of quarters in here, but I don't have any. I just have like regular change. So that's really not gonna work. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. I'm very thirsty, so I want to get something to drink from somewhere. I don't know where yet, but I am thirsty. Shit, I cried at night, I meet that shit. I'm too old out with that bitch. So I just got to Goodwill and I'm about to drop off these clothes. This one has a drive-through, which is what I wanted. Hi. Oh, let me get out. Good, how are you? I have 2 bags. Okay, so I just dropped my stuff off and they gave me my tax receipt, which is great. I'm all out of breath. That was quick and easy, easier than I thought. So now I can go about my business. You guys don't know how long I've been trying to get rid of these clothes. I was trying to get rid of them for a while, so I'm glad that I finally did.